Ifan dwi wedi bod yn helpu allan efo'r sain ar gyfer y sioe. So, mae 3 grŵp yn ei gilydd, so dipyn o waith i gael at ei gilydd. Mae'r criw Conwy efo tua, mae gen i tua 56 o ddarnau gwahanol o gerddoriaeth dyn ni'n gweithio ar gyfer hwnna. So, mae jyst amdan gofyn wrth pobl ifanc be maen nhw isio a wedyn dangos y ffyrdd o allu cyflawni hynny.
Get me children with that. Give them with the volume, please. I like to move it more. I like to move it more. I like to move it more. You like to move it. I like to move it more. I like to move it more. I like to move it more. You like to move it. You like to move it.
Da ni yn ei fideo i chafwydio'r diwrnod sy'n cynnwys gwaith am y graffiti a sôn am y gerddoriaeth da ni bod yn neud. Mae gen i 2 gyfweliad yna fo. Da ni wedi bod yn neud transitions a reilad yma da ni edrych ar The Music 2. Ni heb orffan eto ond mae work in progress so da i ddangos y cychwyn i chi.
We've been creating some name plaques for everyone getting involved to take home with them. So we've got graffiti name plaques. We're just finishing Kelvin's off for him here with an outline, some highlights and a bit of a border. We've also had a little bit of a brainstorming session where we've talked about what we're going to do to help the production come along.
Welcome to Blackout. This is a game of knowledge that will prove just how much you know about the young people in your town. You have 3 lives. Each question answered incorrectly loses your life. Lose all 3 lives and a price will be paid. So choose your answers wisely. Good luck.
Solid like a rock. Pretty quiet, sweet boy, answer the questions. We don't want you to kill the contestants. Keep them alive, there is resistance. Although get accelerated with no evidence. Keep them alive, that's the goal. Be the best, that's how we roll.
Dwi'n gallu neud o, dwi'n cofio wan. O'n i'n mynd i'r ôl, o'n i wir yn isio mynd, ys i fewn i'r lle yma. O'n i isio fynd i amser stopio, a mi nath o, o'n i yn y lle yma. Dyna pan i'n symud yn y bocs. Wan am y geni amser sy'n y watch yma, fydd yma dallan y diwan. Yes. Be da chi gyd yn neud yma? Pa ydych chi'n watcha fi? Be da chi'n meddwl ydi hyn? Sioe?
Have we got this? Diolch yn fawr i chi. Chi'n hanfio. Diolch yn iawn i chi. A hwnna diolch hwnna allan byd. Diolch blaen. Mae'n iawn. Dim byd. Mewn gofal saff. Chi'n hollol ddiogel. Sa'n byd yn bod.